Papa baba ya rezu dike. Ole lezu. Ole na na. Ole megide wanya. Obula awolo ka ị ga-ese ese. Obula mma ka ị ga-arụ.
Achọ nke ihe apụta. Nke abụrụ Nnamdi Kalu, nke a bụ CC.
This is OBIAGU, Coal City Center for Festivities and Carnival. OBIAGU is a densely populated slum in OBIAGU Enugu. I would advise at this point that if you are easily provoked or disturbed by sights and sounds from ghettos and slums from either Nigeria or all over the world, I would advise to click out of this video right now. However, if you're interested in finding out what the popular OBIAGU in Enugu looks like, what the average life there looks like, what it feels to live there, what the residents do, their plights and pains, and every other interesting facts and features of OBIAGU, please do keep watching this video to the very end. Driving through OBIAGU from Presidential Road or Green New Layout, one would assume that all to this neighborhood lies on this road. However, there are more deep inside this neighborhood, and I'm about to take you right into the core of this neighborhood to show you everything, to have a feel of everything, and just to show you everything. You know, let's just have fun and look what's inside OBIAGU. And I'll state that OBIAGU comprises of 4 major areas known as Amausa, Amiwo, Jungle, Afianai. All of these neighborhoods we'll look at briefly and see their different peculiarities. Walking down now, we are walking down to the area known as Amausa. This place got its name as a result of the former residents. Before the war, this area was majorly inhabited by the Hausa people. These Hausa people dealt mostly on cattle rearing and cattle selling. So this was the base for Hausa people and for cow meat and everything cow. However, after the war, a lot of things changed, and the place is now currently inhabited by mostly Igbo people who are either traders or artisans. This Amausa currently serves as a residential area and also a commercial hub. This is where you get to find the OBIAGU market, residential homes, and a whole lot of things. It's a mix-up of both worlds. Another interesting feature of this Amausa, as I learned, is that this is where the majority of the okpa eaten in Enugu metropolis is being prepared. I looked for the place, I found it, and I was able to talk to one of the people who prepared this okpa. So if you're an okpa lover, chances are that you must have eaten okpa being prepared here. So this is what she has to say.
My name is Amausa. I'm from Enugu State. I never been Enugu, so I need about Amausa kind no OBIAGU. Here have a company about it. I used to question the power, and I am not go like 21 years in shop in Enugu State. In a day, I need more than 10 bars of okpa, like 50, sometimes 100 naira. I need 7. When I go around Enugu State, once near in Enugu, in a top or several all from this environment, from this location, KG, Evia, I got many places, Manacamp, Keta, Abapa, anywhere, everybody in Enugu, once in Enugu. but from here, can she jump? Oh, a family business, man. Like workers, then employed.
Now moving away from Amausa, we are heading into jungle. Jungle is known as the core or heart of Obiagu. I was told that this is where everything happens, the good, the bad, the ugly, and I was so prepared to see all of that. Trust me, it's an experience you wouldn't want to miss. Walking into jungle, one would observe that the roads are pretty narrow, very narrow, I must say. The buildings are built so close to each other, there are no proper drainages and a whole lot of things you'd see by yourself. So just keep looking around, making your observations as we head down into the core of Obiagu. This is jungle. An interesting feature of this neighborhood is the unpredictable life being lived here. One day the residents are living a very communal life, treating one another as family, having each other's back and looking out for each other. The other day they are not. However, they've found a way to tolerate one another and coexist peacefully while they go about their individual businesses. Another feature here is this stream known as Egbuche stream. This stream runs across jungle to other parts of Enugu. The residents of jungle or Obiagu, to make their way across the stream, they make use of this bridge known as one-man bridge. Formerly, this bridge was narrower than this, that it allowed the passage of one person or one man per time, hence the name one-man bridge. However, a good Samaritan upgraded the bridge to what you are currently looking at, and right now it can take more than one person or one man per time. Now, stepping away briefly from jungle, let's take a look at the urban area of Obiagu. This area is considered to be the urban area as a result of the type of buildings found here, presence of wider roads and a better planned streets and all of those features. And cost of living here is slightly different from the cost of living in other parts of Obiagu. Now, heading back to jungle, let's meet some of the residents. Let's talk to them, have a feel of what their daily life here looks like, get to know their plight and pain, their joy and their, everything there is to know about them. So let's go.
Obiagu be proper place. Ebe Slum do mmadụ zọ. Ebe heart of Obiagu. Okay, like that.
Yeah.
This is the heart of Obiagu. If the men see from this gang, well, poor, too much. Somebody like Chimaloke. Never me a baby. Then me a baby. Never can or me. That's Chimaloke, my Emma. Then me a baby. Well, Senate President, Ken Namania. Now you know video from grassroots to government habiko and na go bugai. I know I had to go like me now, I'm a engineer. I'm a to build. Because of cement now. More than now, cement is 3,500. Government cement have 2,400. Yeah, not because of by now. I have season. I am na jungle. I will go.
Every no get out of jungle. Kaina bother. I'm not going to go to Obodo. Obodo do more. I'm going to go to Obodo. If you know Obodo, but the problem I have is that I know go. Police no get up here about Obodo disturb Umuazi. Disturb on the name where they go. Okay, when I tell go, they go Niki Gana Tandine where they go. Can you get out to Obodo? Eh? A question at a go. Because hen were all. Each do moha, a delebu quaha. Lebe everything, Wasara Hawa. Check you Hana Taufu. Or government, someone Hana Taufu, when them Paham, when them man, get their pictures. Before Hana Tanuguaf, and when the opening game, what did you get a band of money? Government had there and I am a kia. Your government in my bone, as not have rich people. More of a CC. I'm a government. I don't care, Pota, and Carbon and the Carlo and Carbo CC.
And where anything government in name, and a why, and a nine, I am not. Before I am a Ketemlingo, I am able like a buffalo before I am once. In your non kete, and I can demand a nine, in your blam so fat. As old as I am, then common slippers. Man, I can do so here, and I can tell everything. They can hear it, then I papo that's a look I as a human being. Then I buy the authority. Or because now in a dirty place. Yeah, I do too. I did it and I know. But Maneba were a dangerous place. A dangerous place. I am where a toilet. I am where a bathroom on your black gum here to Kunoshi. No good environment. No good environment.
On most typical Sundays in Obiagu, this is what life looks like. Fun, festivity, carnival, people living life and living a carefree one and that. Thanks for watching.